Every post on your website has its own dedicated page, and Blocksy gives you a thorough set of options to control exactly how that page looks and behaves. Whether you want a clean, minimal reading experience or something more feature-rich, it all starts in the Customiser. Click on Single Post to begin. The first section is Post Title, the hero area at the top of each post. It can display the post title, date, category, and other relevant meta information. You have two design types to choose from. With type 2, the post featured image becomes the background of the entire section. Elements can be reordered with drag and drop, and clicking on any of them may reveal additional options, such as selecting the HTML tag for the title. Alignment and spacing controls are available with either design choice. Head to the Design tab for font and color controls across all enabled elements. Next is Post Structure, where you define the main layout of your posts. A narrow layout keeps things compact and focused. The standard width option expands the content area to fill the viewport. If you want a sidebar, two options let you place it on either side of the content. The Content Area Style option wraps the entire post content in a contained box, useful for a more structured, framed appearance. Content Area Vertical Spacing controls the gap between the content and the header and the footer, handy when you want a tighter layout. Moving on, the Post Elements section is where you enable individual self-contained elements for the post page. Each one serves a specific purpose and once enabled, can be configured further through its own set of options. The Featured Image element lets you display the post's featured image as a standalone element separate from the title section. Its options include image ratio controls and device visibility. The Tags element displays the post's tags as clickable buttons, helping visitors discover other relevant content on your site. The Share box gives visitors a quick way to share the article on social networks. You get two design choices, location controls, and the ability to select exactly which networks are available. The Author box displays the post author's bio and social media accounts, a straightforward way to add credibility and context to the content. Finally, the Post Navigation element lets visitors move between posts chronologically or browse related posts from the same category or tag. Continuing with the Page Elements section, this is where you enable global WordPress features for your posts. Related posts let you surface additional content for your readers at the end of each post. You can display them in a standard grid or as a slider, filter the results by related categories or tags, and control which information is shown, such as the featured image, title, and post metadata. The Comments element enables visitors' discussions on your posts. You can control where the comments box is placed on the page. Worth noting, Blocksy Pro subscribers may see additional options in both of these sections, depending on which features are active. One more thing worth highlighting, while the Customiser applies these settings globally across all posts, Blocksy also lets you override them on a per-post basis. This means you can have a completely different layout, hero design, or set of elements on select posts without affecting the rest of your site. To access these controls, open the post you want to customize and click the Blocksy icon in the top right corner. We have a dedicated tutorial on this feature on your website if you'd like to explore it further. And that's single post options covered. A focused set of controls that give you exactly the level of detail you need. Single posts, exactly as you envisioned them. If you'd like to learn more about what Blocksy has to offer, head to our website or browse our other videos to keep exploring.